Modern interior design is all about clean lines, open spaces, natural light, and harmony between indoor and outdoor living. In Scottsdale, where sun-drenched landscapes and desert views define the environment, windows play a critical role in shaping that aesthetic. But beyond functionality, window installation can truly transform the way your home feels, looks, and performs. Whether you're renovating an older home or building a new one, here's how window installation in Scottsdale can elevate your interior design to a whole new level. Letting in natural light. The foundation of modern design. One of the hallmarks of modern interior design is the use of natural light to brighten and expand living spaces. Large, strategically placed windows allow sunlight to pour into your home, making rooms feel larger, more welcoming, and more connected to nature. In Scottsdale, where the sun shines more than 300 days a year, new windows can dramatically improve the ambiance of your home. Professional window installation ensures maximum light exposure while preventing harsh glares and overheating, especially critical in a climate that gets intense summer heat. Framing the outdoors. Desert views as living art. Modern interiors blur the boundaries between inside and outside. With professional window installation, you can turn your desert landscape into a design feature. Panoramic picture windows or floor-to-ceiling glass walls frame mountain views, cacti gardens, and golden sunsets, creating a natural focal point without adding a single piece of decor. For homeowners in Scottsdale, window installation becomes more than a practical upgrade. It's a design statement that adds value and visual interest to every room. Minimalist frames. Maximum impact. Today's modern windows are designed to blend seamlessly with minimalist interiors. Clean frames in black, white, or natural tones pair beautifully with contemporary materials like stone, concrete, and metal. Professional installers can help you select and position sleek, low-profile window designs that complement your home's architectural lines while still offering durability and insulation. Whether you prefer aluminum, fiberglass, or composite materials, the right frame can tie your entire interior theme together. Enhancing layouts with strategic placement. Window installation isn't just about replacing what's already there. A professional installer can help you reimagine your layout by adding windows in areas that enhance the flow and function of your home. A well-placed casement window in the kitchen, for example, can make a narrow galley kitchen feel more spacious and bright. In open-concept Scottsdale homes, windows can define spaces without the need for walls, creating visual boundaries while maintaining airiness and connection. Smart, energy-efficient comfort. Modern interior design isn't just about looks, it's about comfort and livability. High-performance window products, when installed by professionals, offer energy-efficient features like low-E coatings, UV protection, and thermal insulation. This means you can enjoy large glass surfaces and plenty of daylight without compromising on energy efficiency, a must in Scottsdale's climate. Your interiors stay cooler in summer, warmer in winter, and protected from sun damage, all while maintaining a stylish, streamlined appearance. Adding value and sophistication. Ultimately, investing in professional window installation boosts your home's aesthetic and its market appeal. Buyers are drawn to homes that feel bright, modern, and thoughtfully designed, and nothing elevates those qualities like stunning windows. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, the daily enjoyment of beautiful, light-filled rooms is a reward in itself. Window upgrades offer both form and function, making them one of the most impactful changes you can make to your home. Final thoughts. Design that works and wows. For Scottsdale homeowners seeking to modernize their interiors, window installation is more than a renovation, it's a transformation. With the right combination of design, placement, and professional installation, you can turn your windows into powerful tools for style, comfort, and energy savings. Ready to elevate your home's interior design? Work with trusted Scottsdale window professionals to bring your vision to life, bright, bold, and beautifully modern.